This right here is Deep Blue, my flagship build. It's a dual system build, so it has a Threadripper up top and a 10900K down below, dual 3090s. There is a particular way that I have to turn this on because it is all one custom water cooling loop. This is what I do. Hit the power button up here, and you'll notice it's gonna go through its cycle. There's a kind of a code up here that shows me everything that's going on. You can't see it at this angle. But here you'll notice all the RGBs coming on. Got the monitor about to pop on here. So this is a Gigabyte TRX 40 Aorus Master motherboard. 3090 here, 3090 here, 128 gigabytes of RAM, and the Threadripper 3970X. 32 cores, 64 threads, and this is all EKWB water cooling hardware. And then to load up this system here, the 10900K, I actually press the reset button right here. And then this will come on. And now, the way that this boots up, I actually have it on a dual system boot. So I actually can boot to Ubuntu or Windows. So let's just boot to Windows for kicks. And there we go, Windows here. I typically use Ubuntu for this, but whatever. And now here's Deep Blue at full power. Dual system build. Not many people have uses for dual system builds these days because a single system is just so powerful. But for me, I like to have this second system so that I can do separate projects in Ubuntu. Yes, I could use the Threadripper to do like virtual machine stuff for that, but if I want to be in the BIOS for the Threadripper and still do work on the 10900K system, I can do that.